There's a place on Earth where you can walk on the sky. Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, deep in Bolivia. During the rainy season, this endless white desert turns into a perfect mirror. So reflective, you literally can't tell where the sky ends and the ground begins. It looks like people are walking on clouds. But this place isn't just beautiful, it holds billions of tons of lithium, powering batteries around the world. From dreamlike landscapes to the heart of modern tech, Salar de Uyuni is both a natural wonder and a global power source.